Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to change video file format in PC or how to convert your video to MP4. So it will be really simple and easy. So if you have MKV file and if you want to make it in MP4, so you can do it, but this guide will apply for all different type of video formats. The first thing you need to do is go and open a web browser like Google Chrome. You can use any browser as well. Go to the search engine and search for this VLC media player. So go and type that in. It's a free tool both for Windows and Mac. So make sure you go to the official website, which is invideoland.org, just like so, and then go and tap on the download button and download should begin. Now what you have to do is wait for this to finish the download and then just simply open your download folder and install the VLC media player like this. And then what you need to do is go and open up VLC, and once you open it up, we can now go and use this, go and convert the file to an MP4. So go to this media, tap on this convert and save, and what we first need to do is go and select the file we want to go and convert. I'm going to click on add, and the file I want to convert is on my desktop and it's this one here. So click on it once and click on open. Then once you've done that, go and click on convert and save in the bottom right, and then what you need to do is make sure convert is selected. Come down to profile, and the profile I use is top one here, H2.64 plus MP3, and that is MP4 file. So tap that. Now quickly go and make a configuration. So go to the right and click on this banner which is edit selected profile, and then go and press on audio codec, go for the original audio track, and then go and tap on save. Then just before we go and press start, we need to choose where you want this new file to be saved to. So go and click on browse, and then you need to go and choose we want it to be saved. So I'm going to go and put this onto my desktop. So just rename it, and just make sure after you have entered the file name, you put .mp4 just like this. Then tap on this save button, and then you can go and press start like this, and you can then go and see the progress as it moves across. So here is the file. As you can see, this one is MKV and this one is MP4. So that's pretty much it for this video. That's how to convert any file format in PC. I hope this video was helpful. If it is, like it and subscribe to the channel. Thank you.